everybody, planning a trip to Universal Orlando? These 5 simple hacks will make your visit stress-free and unforgettable for the whole family. Hack number 1, skip the long lines by using mobile order on your Universal Orlando app. You can browse the menus, customize your order, and pick up your food without wasting time. This is a lifesaver during peak dining hours. Plus, not many people realize that Universal does mobile orders, so the line is typically non-existent. Hack number 2, stay hydrated without spending a fortune. Did you know you can ask for free cups of water at any quick service restaurant? Bring a reusable water bottle to refill the day. It's budget-friendly and eco-friendly. Plus, you can get free water at each Coke Freestyle location. Just tap water and you can get your free water. Hack number 3, take advantage of a single rider lines to skip the wait on popular rides. While your group may be split up briefly, it's a great way to experience attractions faster, especially during busy times. Hack number 4, arrive at the park at least 30 minutes before it opens. This gives you a head start on most popular rides before the crowds arrive. Plus, you can take advantage of early park admission if you're staying at a Universal resort. Also, early park admission is available for certain pass holders. This gives you an advantage, especially if you're wanting to get on Hagrid super early first thing in the morning. Hack number 5, don't try to do everything at once. The afternoons can get hot and crowded, so plan to break during the busiest hours. Head back to the resort to cool off or find a shaded spot in the park to recharge before diving back into for more fun. With these 5 hacks, you're ready to conquer Universal Orlando like a pro. Want more tips for stress-free family travel? Subscribe to Let's Make Memories for all your vacation needs. Did you know we also have a blog? Please check it out at letsmakememories.com. See you in our next video. Bye.